Hello. Konnichiwa. Yeah. The reason I have to go there is apparently I've been looking enthusiastic the last few times. Anyway, let's go.
So today is Coffee Bond Day. Coffee Bond.
Coffee Bond. Anyway, so I'm having chicken Nanban.
Say that to me. There's Hannah's favorite.
Look at wakame soup.
So it's the soy salad.
I'll show you. And Yuki's just eating this. Okay. I'll dish you up some rice, Yuki. Rice?
You can give some rice.
Then we should say Kasasu deshita. Sorry, itadakimasu. My God. Anyway. It's a fish.
It's so soft.
Yeah, the chicken.
Hamburg.
Remember, don't play with food. I got told that the other day on the comments. So don't play with food, please.
Yummy.
We even have an egg. This place is sort of like in the middle of nowhere again.
Yes.
Miyazaki has lots of restaurants that are like.
No way.
But they're really good restaurants. Yummy.
This chicken.
Mummy looks a little bit hungry, so I'm going to give us some chicken. So busy this morning. So here you go, darling. There you go. I don't do that normally. Wait, entertainment purposes. Okay. Yuki, do you like spaghetti? It's not as bad as my wife's one the other day. She was handing meat over and it landed in the glass of water. But she never does it on video, so that was pretty funny because it was in front of like 6 different people saw it. Do you want an egg, Yuki? Want some eggs?
Close the tissue, so tell me when you want dry tissue.
So you're getting pretty good at riding the unicycle now, you're getting better. So one day maybe we'll do that on a video. I reckon. That's funny. That'll be funny. Where you're eating. Where you're eating. Thank you, Yuki. Sorry, Hannah, I'm eating your ham. Yuki didn't want it, so.
Anyway, I don't like ham.
Well, I think you like some ham, like the one last night you liked. Sometimes you like ham, sometimes you like ham.
Somehow you like.
Yeah, some ham you like, some ham you don't, so just keep them here.
Remember Sporty Ben? Sporty Ben.
You want some? Can I just break some off for Yuki? Wait, Yuki, wait.
Daddy, remember Sporty Ben? Daddy, Sporty
Sorry.
Ben.
Yeah.
This Sporty Ben, we take ham as well, right? She Hannah ate a lot.
Yeah.
So maybe it's
yeah, so
like
just
ham.
well, yeah. So just some hams are nice, some hams you don't like. So it just depends. I think I'm the same. I think most people are the same. They have their favourite foods and favourite.
Yeah, I have some of them like that. This ham I don't like. This ham I like.
Yeah.
I think last night's one did I like it?
You didn't like it? That was the expensive one. You need me to help you? You want to come here? What's happening? You fall now?
Somehow today we are so quiet.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't
There's no
know.
one here watching us. Oh, the doors are looking at us. That's why. The doors and picture are looking at us.
Oh, that's true. They are. It's like that one is freaking.
Yeah, that one is scared.
There's a wolf attacking a child there as well.
And there's a
They
cute
showed him
rabbit.
the wolf. There's like a
Horse.
rabbit coming out of the heart.
And there's a horse on a like a.
And it looks like an evil
Clock?
rabbit. But it's a nice restaurant, nice atmosphere.
And here there's a cat.
It's a nice. The cat looks interesting.
There's a horse on the clock.
Yeah.
But it's a fake clock.
Do you like that cat? Okay. If you like it, I like it.
Like that also. She love cat or wow like that.
Something.
And it looks like something like angry.
Yeah, a little bit. No, I'll get it. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's dessert time.
Yeah, dessert time. How do you say it in Japanese? Dessert time.
デザートの時間。デザートの時間です。デザートの時間です。
So these are all homemade cakes. So
Yes. What does it taste like? What's the one? Apple. Apple.
Momo.
Apple. This is apple. And then this is one.
Okay.
Ready? Apple. Let's go. 3, 2,
That's right.
3,
Go.
2, 1. Ready? Hannah's already eating.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yummy! I feel yummy!
And also messy. Yuki was thirsty. Here you go.
Thank you.
That big piece of cake. Momo.
Nina cake. Ready, set, go. This is the how do you say? Little bit drier.
But it's delicious.
Sorry, bunny.
Yummy. And finally,
I think that cheese one is my favorite one. I think so.
We'll see. We'll see. I should cut off.
I
some of
don't
this.
know cheese or what. cheese or apple?
Which
gonna win?
I tell you what,
Thank
so
you.
far, it's all delicious.
For me, walnut and apple. Apple is yummy. For me,
Okay, are you ready to eat this one? Okay, let's go.
set go. It helps them both yummy. Pancake steak and a whole lot of cheese.
Was this for Daddy? Oh, thank you very much.
You don't like? Yuki?
Thank you.
Yuki and I go put it
I think
on
she's full. No, it's not so much she doesn't like it, she just had enough to eat.
Maybe.
This is really, that was really nice.
穴が開いてるここ見て。
That's probably, this one's number 1, walnut's number 2, but they're both really nice. Number 3
And
is
my
apple.
number 1 is cheese and apple. Number 3 is walnut. And number 2 is walnut.
Go for it.
Okay. That's ready.
You want this fruit? Yeah, this fruit. I'll eat this fruit.
Put it like raspberry brown. Frozen raspberry brown. Kiwi fruit?
The bananas taste like the nice bananas. So they got good quality bananas. I'm from New Zealand, so I'm a banana expert. Oh, kiwi fruit.
No, I just ate all the kiwi fruit. Mandarin. Banana.
Very nice.
So strong mandarin now.
Really delicious.
I think this cream was for
Wow, I love the sugar.
What's this?
Sugar.
It's good, this sugar. It's so nice color. It's like a stone. Jungle, don't make mistake. There's stone.
Hopefully it is sugar.
Don't make mistake. Stone and what?
Maybe they got the wrong container.
Well, maybe they grew it and then it was stone. Ah, yes. And then maybe that like, see what stone and then grow stone and then this so that and then maybe it got stone.
Maybe not as well. Sugar, no, sugar comes from the plant.
And sugar doesn't come from a plant. Huh?
It comes from a plant.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does. You can tell it doesn't need.
How about stone?
It doesn't come from a stone. What are you girls talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about that stone get from the ground.
Sugar comes from a plant. Stones come from sugar. No.
So if I found stone, I do. Oh, yummy, yummy. Shall we do the video again? Like
Yeah.
I found it. Look at this big. So that means like this big one is a big sugar. So we eat like that. Yummy. Oh, we should take this back home and then make tea and then rip the pot with the knife and put it in the bed. I didn't.
What's going on with that knife?
Sugar everywhere. Right, Daddy?
Yeah, sounds great.
Yeah, come on. This is what? This is not stone. Oh, this stone out there, then is this sugar. They're using that. Yeah.
Okay.
So my favorite is cheese and my favorite is this.
Yeah, my favorite is cheese and walnut.
My favorite is cheese and apples.
Yeah, that's right, that's right, isn't it? I'm allowed to have a difference of opinion, aren't I?
Even me.
You're 5, you can't yet. Of course you're allowed a difference of opinion. Okay. That's important, having a difference of opinion. Otherwise you end up on the internet trolling people. Anyway, that was delicious. Those cakes are delicious. I'm going to give some to Mummy.
Yes. Later. And you're gonna eat. Do you need this?
Okay, Mum, hit it down. That's nice, that's an owner.
Is it?
You don't copy Daddy.
Why will you say I lick it and then why you say
Okay, we'll make that a cut so Mum can eat some cake without me looking at it lovingly.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Nice, Yuki. Nice, Yuki. Bye bye.
Bye bye.